The power point drain. Release clears hidden pressure. The rolling massage frees your flow. The night breath lock reboots your hormones. The pump reset reminds your body how to respond again. Because when blood moves again, everything changes. Your strength, your mood, your drive, and yes, your mornings. Tonight, do this ritual. Try it and see how fast your body remembers its natural power. Before we dive in, if you're ready to reclaim that spark, please hit the like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, has stress, sleep, or lifestyle made a difference in your mornings? Let's start with something every man should know. Morning wood isn't random. It is one of the best natural health signals your body gives you. When you fall into deep REM sleep, your body begins its nightly repair mode. Blood vessels expand, hormones balance out, and deep inside, your body cycles through spontaneous involuntary erections. We call these nocturnal erections. They are your body's internal workout, keeping the muscles, nerves, and blood flow down there strong and responsive. When those stop happening, it's a big red flag. It's not because your desire is gone, but because your sleep quality, circulation, and crucial nitric oxide, NO production have all slowed down. Here's the biological punchline. Your NO levels, the key chemical that helps blood vessels open, drop by about 10% every decade. By the time you hit 60, you may have lost almost half your natural ability to get robust blood flow. When NO dips, the tissue becomes less elastic, like a muscle you never train. Your body is still capable, but your system needs a nightly reminder. You just need to reactivate what it already knows how to do. In my 12 years of helping men, I've found that the real reason performance weakens has a lot more to do with what's happening below the surface. It's about hidden pelvic congestion. Over the years, sitting for long hours, lack of stretching, and chronic tension cause your pelvic floor muscles to tighten like a clenched fist. This tension squeezes the very blood vessels your erection depends on. Think of your circulation like a garden hose. If you step on it, the pressure builds up behind the block and the flow weakens. That constant tension doesn't just affect performance, it affects your sleep and your confidence. Your body spends all night dealing with pressure instead of healing. The great news is that this can be reversed naturally. You just need to release that hidden pressure so blood can move freely again. And that is exactly what the first step of this powerful bedtime ritual does. It's simple, private, and takes less than 60 seconds. This first move, done quietly after using the bathroom, removes a hidden block of congestion that has been slowing your flow for years. Step 4, the power point drain release, clear the block. The biology. When men finish urinating, there is often a small amount of leftover fluid that sits near the prostate all night. That fluid keeps the prostate slightly swollen, slowing blood flow and creating congestion. By gently pressing on the perineum, the soft spot halfway between the testicles and the anus, for 3 to 5 seconds, you help drain those final drops. The emotional impact. You're relieving congestion and taking direct pressure off the prostate gland. Most men feel lighter almost immediately, like a quiet tension was released deep inside. The practical fix: do this every night after you urinate just before bed. Place 2 fingers on the soft spot and press gently upward for 3 to 5 seconds. It's the secret key to freeing your body's natural flow. Step 3, prostate rolling massage. Restore the flow. You can perform a comfortable external massage that wakes up your circulation and releases the tight, clenched fist of your pelvic floor muscles. The biology. We need to wake up the circulation again. Using a tennis ball or soft massage ball, sit on the edge of your bed and place the ball under the perineum. Gently roll forward and backward for about 1 minute. This releases the tension in the pelvic floor muscles, which become stiff from sitting and stress. It externally massages the prostate and frees up trapped blood flow. The emotional impact. You might feel a pleasant warmth or tingling, that's circulation returning, oxygen-rich blood moving through again. You are retraining your lower body to relax and flow, replacing stiffness with flexibility. The practical fix. Roll gently for 1 minute every night after the drain release. No extreme pressure needed, just enough to feel a pleasant release. Step 2, the night breath lock. Reboot the system. This simple change to how you breathe right before bed switches on your body's natural rest, repair, and arouse mode. The biology. Right before lying down, close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths through your nose. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold, then exhale for 6 seconds. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest mode, the opposite of stress. Critically, the lining of your sinuses releases a surge of nitric oxide every time you breathe deeply through your nose. This NO tells your body, relax, restore, rebuild. The emotional impact. Your body gets the message that it's safe to heal. You'll notice deeper sleep, less anxiety, and stronger, fuller dreams. It's like charging your internal battery again. The practical fix? Do this at least 5 times before lying down. Each inhale builds NO. Each exhale releases tension. Step 1. The erection pump. Reset. Muscle memory therapy. The biology. If you've gone weeks or months without a strong morning response, your tissue has lost its muscle memory and elasticity. Using a vacuum pump with gentle, controlled pressure draws fresh, oxygen-rich blood into the chambers of the penis. This process, known as vascular rehabilitation, stretches and strengthens the tissue. When regularly filled with blood, the tissue remembers how to respond more quickly and stay firm longer. The emotional impact. This is therapy, not vanity. It directly combats the feeling that it's too late for me. You're reminding your body of its natural pattern, leading to a strong feeling of reawakening and control. The practical fix? Start slow. A few short, gentle sessions each week. No pain, no extreme suction, just gentle consistency. It's the accelerator for men who need that stronger reminder. Let's bring it all together. This isn't about guesswork. It's about following your body's repair manual. Drain release clears hidden pressure and congestion. Rolling massage restores circulation and tissue flexibility. Breath lock activates healing and NO production overnight. Pump reset, optional, retrains muscle memory for faster, stronger response. These are natural tools designed by your own biology to keep you strong, firm, and confident. You don't need to hide behind chemicals or quick fixes. You just need to understand how your body breathes, moves, and heals. If you've been thinking, maybe it's too late for me, I'm here to tell you it is not. Your body never forgot how to be strong. It just needed you to remind it. Try this ritual tonight. It takes less than 5 minutes before bed. You'll feel the difference, not in months, but in days. Because when blood flow returns, everything improves. Your energy, your focus, your drive, and your mood in the morning. You wake up not just harder, but healthier. Remember, this is about more than just erections. It's about circulation. It's about confidence. It's about reclaiming that spark that makes you feel alive.